Hello, everyone. Welcome back to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today, I just have a short little video. I wanted to invite you all to attend my live show and giveaway that I will be doing this Saturday, February 2nd at 9 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. I'll probably follow the same format as I did last time and do just some things that were on my mind. I might have some funny things to share with you, some experiences that I've had doing my show here on YouTube, as well as I will do a giveaway to Instructables.com, and I have also some exciting news that I will share with you all, which is looking forward to that as well. So that's pretty cool. And also, I know some of you have commented in the past about like how come I haven't used Patreon and things of that nature to help raise some more money for my show. And I will probably do some of that in the future. I'm just kind of working on, with Patreon, it's always nice to add something extra for those who are supporting you. And I just got to work out some of those things that I want to do. But in the meantime, with these live shows that I do, I will enable the super chat function, which allows you, if you want, it's not necessary, if you want to support me in my show, you can donate a small amount, $1 or $2 or whatever it is, and write a comment, and then I will see those, and it gets all highlighted, so it's really easy for me to see those, and I promise that I will answer any of those questions or shout outs or whatever first when I see them, as a thank you for helping to support me. But again, it's not necessary to participate in a live show. You don't have to donate anything if you don't want, so don't worry about that. I'm just adding that as a feature in case some of you would like to help support me in what I am doing, and I greatly appreciate that. And I greatly appreciate your support already, all your comments and your thumbs ups, and just watching the videos. And so it's going to be a fun time again. It'll probably run 30 minutes to an hour like the last time, and we'll just have a good time, and it'll be fun. So hope to see you all there. Once again, it'll be February 2nd, so this Saturday at 9 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. See you then.